The effectiveness of the laws introduced in the country can be seen from the changes taking place in the lives of the people. The Supreme School of Judges under the Supreme Judicial Council of the Republic of Uzbekistan, in collaboration with the USAID Project and the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, is conducting training for professors and teachers of the Supreme School of Judges and judges of civil courts on topics such as mechanism for the protection of children's rights in courts, practical application of international standards and principles, basic provisions of the Convention on the Rights of the Child, their practical application.
Hey, good morning. I'm Tom Rawlings. I'm a former judge in the United States and been working in the field of child protection and child welfare for many years. And here on a collaboration with UNICEF and the School of Judicial Education and, of course, USAID, and really talking about the issues of how judges can better work with children in court processes. So, whether it's a custody matter or whether it's about visitation or whether it's about a child who may have been neglected or abused by a parent, we need to make sure that we are listening to children in those processes. And of course, it's an international requirement, but of course, it's also a requirement of the Uzbekistan's constitution and Uzbekistan's laws. And so my privilege is to be here and share with judges and trainers of judges how we can do a better job of involving those children in these processes so that we can help them not only achieve their vision, because children have a vision of what they want their family to look like, but also so that we can instill in them a real respect for the justice system. We find that children who are listened to in court, who feel that their views and their opinions are taken into account by the court, those are the children who when they become adults, will have respect for the rule of law, will have respect for the republic and for the justice system.
During the training, international standards aimed at ensuring children's access to justice and a special approach for children in conflict with the law, the four main pillars of the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child: the right to survival, the right to protection, the right to development, and the right to participation, as well as topics such as the psychology of children and adolescents, understanding their stages of development, and friendly communication with children of different ages, are analyzed in depth and reinforced with practical processes.